Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Today we're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. Hit the subscribe button down there, join 68,000, almost 69,000 subscribers, which is beautiful. Smash up the thumbs up button and we're going to see what's going to happen to Bitcoin. It seems to be consolidating here, which is very important because it didn't drop off this main resistance. And that's a very good sign. We're going to jump into the technicals for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. I'm going to show you some of my trades and what I think is going to happen in the markets, which is going to be beautiful. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Enjoy it with your loved ones. Really, be present, relax your body, and just be present in all things. Enjoy the moment. You're not guaranteed tomorrow. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're going into the technicals for Bitcoin, and on the 4-hourly, we're still below this major blue trend line, and this major blue trend line is 2 years old. This is a 2-year-old trend line that Bitcoin's been traveling on. And as you can see, it was climbing 69 back down, and it's now sitting underneath this blue trend line, right underneath it. Something to keep in mind though is look at this giant volume that's been coming in the last few days. Each of these candles are 1 day. Each of these is 1 day in the markets. Volume, so this down here, as I teach in the crypto course, volume predicts price. And what volume is, it's how much buying and selling has been happening on Bitcoin. You can see here in July, we had massive buying and selling spikes. When Bitcoin bottomed at the 30,000. And here we also had huge volume coming in, which is a good sign for Bitcoin, indicating that we could actually have bottomed here. Now we're at this major resistance on this blue trend line. Something else to keep in mind is the moving average just crossed today, which is very nice indicator. It's a bullish signal because here the moving average crossed and we had this giant drop down, and just now the moving average crossed to head up. So that's a very bullish signal, but here we have huge resistance that we need to get through for Bitcoin. This is a major point of resistance at the 42,500 that Bitcoin needs to break through. But with this giant volume spikes, it does look like we could actually have a bottom. The stochastic is still heading up. It's trying to turn down, but still heading up. We are now going into the EMA ribbons on the daily, still finding resistance in them. The Crypto Guru bot is still showing a sell in the red. You get the crypto bot in the cryptocurrency master course. The link's in the description and the pinned comment. You can see down here it called the buy and turned blue in 9,000 back in October 2020. Went to 67,000 and called the sell, turned red. And as you can see here, we're still on the sell and it's still showing red. It hasn't flipped to a buy yet. So that's something to also keep in mind. Let's check out the other indicators. The money flow index it was heading up very strongly, but it's now coming slightly down. Squeeze mob is still going to the green side, and it just started going to the green side. So on the daily, it's looking quite bullish. Let's quickly check the weekly. On the weekly also, the stochastic very oversold, and we're just starting to turn up, which is really a very bullish thing for the weekly candles. Let's go into the 4-hourly. What's going to happen today and the next 2 days? Stochastic very overbought, as you can see here, but it's been sitting in the overbought area, which is quite interesting. It's not pulling back, and it's consolidating here at this big resistance, which is very unusual. It's showing a lot of strength because normally when you get to such a strong resistance, you have a big drop, but it's actually not dropping. It's consolidating here the last few days. We've got a giant cup kind of formed. If it can come down to 39,000, that would form the handle. But Bitcoin does seem to be consolidating here, which is quite bullish. And the EMA ribbons on the 4-hourly, we're above the EMA ribbons quite strongly. And let's go into the hourly. What's going to happen for the rest of today? Oh, actually, let's check on the 4-hourly. We'll check the squeeze mob. Squeeze mob is green, but it's first turned the first gray bar, which indicates we could have topped in the short term. Money flow index is topping and turning down, so a little bit bearish signs on the 4-hourly. My thinking is that we most likely can pull back to this major support 39,000, and that would be a good thing because that creates a giant cup handle formation, which is a bullish pattern to then move up. So what do you think? Do you think we're going to drop down to 39,000, form this handle and push up? Or do you think the market's just going to keep being extremely bullish? I'd love your opinion in the comments. On the hourly, the stochastic, look at this consolidation, crazy. It should have dropped strongly, but look at this consolidation pattern. And this is forming a bull flag, everyone. This is a very bullish pattern. This is a bull flag that's formed with a giant freaking pole. Look at this. This is the pole. This is the flag that's forming. That's a bull flag that can take it up much further. I teach you technical analysis in the course. If this bull flag plays out, we have a big resistance at that 42K, but if this bull flag plays out, we should move the distance of the pole. So that distance there, if it breaks out, which would take us, let's see if I can grab it, to $46,000 for Bitcoin. So potentially a really big pattern is playing out here. On the 4-hourly though, it is showing that we should form a cup and handle, but quite interesting pattern that's playing out. On the hourly, we are also below the EMA ribbons. And let's check out the stochastic. Squeeze mob is going red. Money flow index, money is still flowing into Bitcoin on the hourly. So it could actually form this bull flag and we could be heading up to 46,000, which is beautiful. Now I'm going to show you the trades that I would take on Bitcoin, what I have open on my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can join. I'm about to hit 69,000 subscribers today, which is amazing. 69,000 people. Hit the subscribe button. I'm getting around 20 to 30,000 viewers every day. Hit the subscribe button, join those 69,000 people. Click the join button to follow my live trades. The Bitcoin trading, if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, this link down below underneath this video, go down, click on this Bitcoin trading Bybit link. If you click on this link, you sign up, you get a sign up bonus of $4,100 when you sign up to Bybit, and you have to deposit Bitcoin to get that bonus. So this is the trading software that I use. If you want to use it, click down that link. Once you click on that link, it will open Bybit, and this is the trading software I use. In this account, I have $104,371 US dollars, 104,000, which is up around 8,000 from a few days ago, which is beautiful. 2.5 Bitcoin. I've got 1.4 Bitcoin in here. I've got $16,000 of Bit, which I'm very bullish on Bit actually if the market holds up. Cake up quite a bit, up 12. I've got $12,000 in Cake, and I've got $11,000 in USD, and I've got no trades open on Bitcoin right now. It is a bit dangerous point to be trading here because of this big resistance at the 42k, but with this bull flag, if there is a breakout, we could take a small long here, but again, it's very risky at this point just because we're at this major resistance. But a small trade with a very little risk would be this one, to take a long. My stop loss just below this resistance, this previous supports here. So very tight stop loss, risking very little, and the target of $46,000, which will give us a 5.64 ratio trade, which is an excellent ratio. For every $1 risk, $5.64 gain. So if I risk $827, I can make $4,600 unleveraged. If I use 10x leverage, that's $46,000 of profits. 100x leverage, $460,000. So this would be a nice potential trade to take. So I'm going to actually open this trade with very tight stop. It's a super small trade with a very tight stop. I'll only risk, so I'm going to put the stop at 40,799. So I'm going to open a long, a very small one, because I'm going to do a $400 long, which will be a $4,000 trade. Open, because of the risk of this big resistance. So that's the trade open. It's a $4,000 trade. Just a small one. I'm going to set a stop loss at 40,799, 40,799, which risks $75. I'm only taking $75 of risk, which is very small trade, and my take profit will be at 46,200. So 46,200. So I'm risking $75 to make $437, which is a nice risk to reward ratio trade. And that trade is now open. So that trade is set. Now I've left it. I teach you all of this in the crypto course. If you want to take my crypto course, you can join 6,000 students. Again, under the video. If you want to take the course, so the Bybit trading software that I just used was this link down below. Sign up, 4,100 bonus. And if you take the cryptocurrency master course, you can join now more than 6,000 students taking my course. And it also includes the cryptocurrency, the crypto guru bot. So if you take the course, you also get the bot. And I teach you how to do these, set these trades and things like this. So this trade is now open. And that's my thinking about what is going to happen to Bitcoin. I would love your opinion. What do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin? Do you think we break through this major resistance? Or do you think we get rejected here and get pushed back down to the 38,000? Let me know in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button. Join 69,000 people, which we're going to do today, which is amazing. Smash up the thumbs up button. And I want to show you some comments that I've been getting from amazing comments from all of you. Check out these. Oh, we have our Twitter back on Magicraft. Thank you, all of you. We had more than 900 or 800 and something people comment to get the Twitter back, which is amazing. I love your crypto course. I can make my own TA and then compare it with your findings in each video. Love it. It feels so good. Amazing, Pillar. Thank you for that beautiful comment. Guru, you're the best. You're the only one that calling on this dump since it began way back, then way up there at the 60k. Thank you, Claudia. So thank you all. Have an amazing weekend. I hope you have an amazing Sunday family fun day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.